In this video, you'll learn how to download all files from Google Drive at once. This is really useful if you're switching computers, creating a backup, or just want everything stored safely on an external drive or another cloud service. I'll walk you through each step, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few tips to make the process smoother. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're in, you'll see your folders and files laid out in either a list or grid view. It doesn't matter which view you use for this process, the steps are the same. Next, we're going to select all of your files at once. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and A together if you're on Windows, or Command and A if you're on a Mac. When you do this, everything that's visible in your drive will be highlighted. You'll notice a blue outline or check marks on each file and folder, which tells you they're all selected. If your drive is organized into folders, those folders will be selected too, along with any files sitting outside of folders. Now that everything is selected, move your mouse over any of the highlighted files or folders and right-click. This brings up a menu with several options related to sharing, organizing, and managing your files. Don't worry about the other choices for now. What we're looking for is the download option. In that menu, click Download. As soon as you do, Google Drive starts preparing your files for download. Because you're downloading multiple items, Drive can't just send them one by one in a neat way, so it compresses them into a single zip file. This zip file is like a container that holds all of your folders and files together, while also reducing their total size a bit. Depending on how many files you have and how large they are, the compression step might take a few seconds or several minutes. You'll usually see a progress indicator in the corner of the screen letting you know that Google is zipping your files. During this time, try not to close the tab or shut down your computer, or the process may be interrupted and you might need to start again. Once Google Drive finishes compressing everything, your browser will automatically start downloading the zip file. Where it ends up depends on your browser settings, but in most cases, it will go into your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save it, choose a location you'll remember, such as your desktop or a specific backup folder. After the download is complete, you can go to that location on your computer, find the zip file, and if you want to access the individual files, extract or unzip it. On most systems, you can do this just by double-clicking the zip file and then dragging the contents to a regular folder. And that's it. I've just walked you through how to download all files from Google Drive at once. Open Google Drive, select everything with a single shortcut, right-click, choose Download, and let Google handle the compression into a zip file. Once it's downloaded, you have a complete copy of your drive ready to store, move, or back up wherever you like.